My doctoral dissertation. It's here. Yeah, right. It's right down here in the biggest library in the university.
Wow, that's actually pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh, there's also a book here by a woman named Wendy Vagina. Fool around?
Yeah, there was. They were in the corner of the library where all these dusty books were that nobody ever read. Yes, there was.
Great. Because people kept showing up. I think it's like a thing.
Okay.
And, there's a collection of Walt Whitman letters on display at the public library.
I know.
But first, I have to see the Met.
Okay, let me stop you right there.
You a credit card. But what I'm really gonna do is hand you a library card.
Sir, a ticket to Yemen is $2,100, and we don't take library cards.
What's the matter? Is something wrong? Do you have to stay?
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word library. It means a place set apart to contain books, periodicals, and other material for reading, viewing, listening, study, or reference, as a room, set of rooms, or building where books may be read or borrowed. Also means a public body organizing and maintaining such an establishment. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce library, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to lahi. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how library is used in real life.
Okay. I was typing names into the library computer earlier, you know. It's here. Yeah, right. It's right down here in the biggest library in the university.
In the corner of the library where all these dusty books were that nobody ever read.
What happened to the library?
There never was a library. I mean...
And, there's a collection of Walt Whitman letters on display at the public library.
Hey, guys! I was at the library all morning and I already finished my 5 pages for today.
Great, now we... But what I'm really gonna do is hand you a library card.
Sir, a ticket to Yemen is $2,100, and we don't take library cards.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.